Today's video is regarding how to create the X bar chart when you have the data like mean and standard deviations in Excel. Let's see set of data what we have it. The mean is 15.95, standard deviation is 0.14, and sample size is 30, and observations are 4. So I have calculated here UCL and LCL. I'm also trying to give you the formula for how you calculate UCL and LCL. So X double bar and Z, and then we have sigma of X, standard deviation for X. Uh, Here you can see basically the Z value is considered as 3, and the N is for number of samples what we do, as in this case the number of samples sorry, number of samples is 30 and observation is 4. Okay, so let's move to Excel. Here I've just copied the similar data. The first thing is what we have to do is we have to create um, x1, the number of observations, x2, x3, x4, then moving to x bar. Here you can make as a series number 1, 2, 3. Let me just change to numbers. Okay. Um, okay. Then just drag it. We have 30 samples, so I'll go till 30. Okay. Now, with the data what we have to generate these data which is not available. So for us the formula to generate is you just go ahead here and type it. Norm v is the function, and the probability comes as random number open close bracket. Mean, you can straight away type it, 15.95, comma, standard deviation we have is 0.14, or else you can take a cell reference also. Okay, so here how I have taken a cell reference is what you can see here. Otherwise you can just put the value straight away. Here you can just drag it down, and you can copy paste special as a number. Oh, my data is percentage. Let's keep it as number. All this I need it as numbers. Okay. So what happens is every time you do a click, if you can just see here, it was 85 and 8888. You can still see there is always a variation because random number I have not locked it here. Okay, so you can just go ahead again, copy 30 values, come back here, paste special, right click, you can just select only values. Do the similar thing for all the 4 observations. Come back here. By the time you come back, it's already changed, so you can easily take the values. Okay, so I think I have taken a little more values. I'll just delete it off extra values. Okay, then to get the X bar is average of these 4. Okay, then double click. Once you get the arrow, you have the average of these. Now we want to draw the um, chart. Okay, so just select the X bar value. You want to draw the chart and go to insert, insert, you can just go here and select this chart type. Okay, so here is your X bar chart. In this, now you want to add up the mean 15.95. So you can go ahead with insert and you can take on straight line in shapes. I'm just going with approximate, or else you can also, what you can do is if you want to go with the exact values, you just edit the axis. Uh, Axis data, double click, you will get it min max, and then major units you have it, minor units you have it here. If you want, you can just go ahead with one, so you can get 989505. Also you can go 3 digits, 1. Okay, so 8090. Okay, sorry, I think I made a mistake here. Let me just come back and show you. What we want is 95. Close it. Okay, once you double click, you have it major. I'll go with 0.5. Enter. Now you will get it easily 0.95. Okay, now close it. Mm, Insert shapes. You can take a straight line. Just go to the 95. Uh, Put finger on shift and alt and then click draw. So you'll get exactly straight line here. Now I'll show you one more shortcut is press control shift, then you'll get plus marks on it. Then click on your click on your mouse. You can just drag up to your LCL and UCL, or else you can just go ahead with moving with arrows. Similarly, I want to take this control shift, then press go back to my UCL. Let me just check the value of UCL. 16.16, 15.74. 74, I think it will be slightly down. 16, I may go little up. Okay, so here you, if you want to change the line, how it is, and thickness, all those things you can do it as a beautification. It's up to you. You want to change the color, um, you want to change the thickness. Currently I have it like blue, or you want to have it yellow. You want to change the thickness of it, you have here, like you want to make it thicker and visible, so that can be done. Once you select the line, you have a shape format, and then go ahead and do this one. So you really want to show this as your axis, that is also possible, like you have a different line. Okay, so now once we are done, you just select the chart, shift, select your extra lines what we have drawn, and then right click, go ahead with the group. This will help you if you are just about to move it, but it is not helpful when you want to, I mean, really you want to drag it, then you can see there is a slight shift in it. Okay, so I'll just, so here you have it, and then you can just name your axis, all the information what you're looking for. You can just put up a text box and go ahead. Like we can have UCL and LCL values you want to put it. UCL 16.16, LCL 15.74. Similarly, you can go ahead with mean 15.95. Okay. Okay, then. So thank you so much. Hope this was helpful for you.